fact, we spoke to the management, and in an exclusive conversation, the management gave us a peek into what lies ahead for them.
Even now, while you are seeing some shoots in terms of the demand, we are not seeing that there is belligerence, there is full exhilaration coming into the market to that extent. We feel that today the rural markets are just coming back, even the urban centers are just trying to show some spark. I feel that possibly it will take some time before we really get on to the parameter of really double digits and so on and so forth.
How long will it take?
It's very difficult to say, but I would say that possibly another 2 quarters is something we need to kind of watch out for sure in terms of what we are looking at. So therefore, right now, I think the whole peg is in terms of saying that we continue to grow higher than the market, and that's the pitch in terms of what we would take.
And you haven't been doing so for the last few quarters, and now you're confident of doing that, right?
The first 2 quarters of this year, we have grown higher than the market to that extent. And as you look at the H1, we have grown much higher than the market overall.
So you will continue to gain market share?
That's absolutely.
50,000 crore revenue on Asian Paints, by when?
Okay, definitely for the next 4 years.
In the next 4 years. Amit Syngle stays in Asian Paints for the next 5-6 years at least?
I think from my mindset, eternally.
One piece of advice that you would like to give some of your competitors?
The advice is that when you kind of operate in the market, okay, operate with a certain value, a certain ethic, and look at possibly differentiating yourselves far more strongly rather than being me too in terms of the market.
And to the investors, what will you say, who've been sitting on 2 years of losses?
I think the investors will see that this is a brand which they will have to watch out for, because there are lots of things which are coming, and we think that possibly we have our clear eyes on the stakeholders and we will give them a good return.
Asian